my channel, and today we have the all-new Hyundai Creta 2020 here with me. So firstly, to start with the exterior, the new Hyundai Creta comes with a trio beam LED headlamps and a crescent glow LED DRL. So the new exterior is really attractive and is very well built. So along with that, the Hyundai Creta comes with the puddle lamps and the auto unfold ORVM and a aerodynamic rear spoiler with a twin tip exhaust. The Hyundai Creta will be offered in three engine options, which are 1.4-liter turbo petrol engine and the 1.5-liter aspirated petrol engine and a 1.5-liter diesel engine, and comes with a 5 variants such as E, EX, S, SX and SXO. So currently this is the SX version of the Hyundai Creta that we are seeing here, and now let us see the interior. So as you can see here, the cabin of the Hyundai Creta has been redone very well. The SUV now features automatic AC, air purifier, cool glove box, driver rear view monitor, paddle shifters, 10.25-inch HD infotainment system, 8-speaker Bose premium sound system, and a 7-inch supervision cluster and a voice-enabled panoramic sunroof. The Hyundai Creta also features the BlueLink connectivity technology as well. So this is the new infotainment system that has been added in the Hyundai Creta 2020, and the interior is very well designed and is very well built and has a premium look which every new customer wants in their car. So we also have a good amount of space here to keep the documents or any other things here. Other than that, the vehicle is really very well built and has a premium interior. So now let us see the rear seats of the new Hyundai Creta and how much comfortable it is. So basically I am around 5 feet 10 inches tall, and I would be able to sit comfortably in the new Hyundai Creta 2020 at the rear seat. So other than that, the vehicle gets a rear seat headrest cushion. So there is a new feature added to the new Hyundai Creta 2020, and as you can see here, when I sit I am really able to sit comfortably, and also we have the rear AC vents along with the USB charger at the rear. So other than that, the Hyundai Creta is really well built inside and has a premium interior, and the vehicle also get the rear window sunshade, and as I said, the rear seat headrest cushion and a two-step rear seat reclining. So to talk about the boot space, the Hyundai Creta has around the boot space of 444 liters, which is more as compared to the Kia Seltos. And we also have a light here at the boot so that it can be visible even in the night. So the Hyundai Creta bookings has already commenced on the March 2nd, and the SUV has already gathered over 10,000 bookings within a week, giving a tough competition for the Kia Seltos and the Tata Harrier. So anyone who wishes to buy the Hyundai Creta can book the vehicle by paying rupees 25,000 at the Hyundai Motor dealership across India or on the official website of the Hyundai Creta.